In this video, I will show you how to log into Palasa and run a training sort for your division so that you can print out the training records for all of your employees and then enter them into TheraP. What you're going to do is log into Palasa just like you normally would. Click on Web Pay. You're then going to go to Applications, select Web Pay. You are then going to click on the HR tab at the top of your screen and click on Training. And as you know, this is where all of your training curriculums are entered into Palasa. To run a report, you're going to click on Reports and Analytics, and you're going to click on Reports and Analytics. You are then going to find in this list Employee Skills, which I believe is on the third page. Click on Employee Skills, and this is what will pop up. You want to make sure that your output type is an Excel document, 2007 or greater. You want to make sure that employee status relates to all active employees. Employee type should be all. Pay type should be all. Group should be all. You're going to change the division if it's not already selected for your division. So for this demonstration, I'm going to change this to Danville. Services, you want to stay all, and site, you want to stay all. You also want to make sure that you have checked include employees with no data. That will tell you whether or not a person is in Palasa but has not yet taken a training class. So it's going to help to give you the classes that will include even people who don't have dates entered. You want to display all filter options and then sort order. We want to sort by name. And then down here where it says skill type, you want to select all. And for this sort, we're going to select all because we're going to do this sort so that we can then print out a copy of it and then we can enter it into TheraP. You want to make sure your dates are blank because we want to, again, get the list of any training we have entered in here for your division. And we're going to click on Save and Run Report. Once you will do that, a green notification box will show up that tells you that your report has been sent to the cache. You're going to wait a few minutes, and because this file is so large, it may take several minutes for it to download. When you're ready to retrieve your report, you're going to come up to Reports and Analytics and click on User Requested. And here we have Employee Skills, and it's complete, so I'm going to click on it. It's going to show up at the bottom, and I'm going to open that tab. And it's now going to show me every single training that is recorded for Danville on this spreadsheet. What I'm then going to do is print this out, and when I get ready to enter people into TheraP, I'm going to enter one employee at a time. So for this one, I would start with entering everything I have for Gail Adams, then I would move on to Sandra Bird, so on and so forth. When entering certifications, we want the most recent date that they've taken the class in TheraP. So please do not enter every single crisis intervention date that they have listed here. If you were entering crisis intervention for Gail, you're only going to enter in her most recent, which is 8/7/2014. Same thing with first aid and CPR. You only want to enter the most recent date that the class was taken. Human rights, etc. All right, I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, as always, you can contact me